Hi, my name is Drew. I got braces when I was a kid and had nearly perfect teeth until my 40s. Then, thanks to some dentistry extractions, I started getting spaces, movement, buck teeth again, and I became more and more subconscious. Then I found pop-on veneers online. Thought I'd give it a try. I looked into other methods, and I really can't afford between $50,000 and $20,000 to replace my teeth. So, pop-on veneers is a good try. They sent in this nice little box, and in it is 3 mold kits. You do your self-impressions. It's not that bad, not that hard, and a lot easier than going to the dentist. You don't have to go to the dentist for this. You just do your impressions, put them back in the box, send it to you. Within 2 weeks, you get your own new set. First set was okay, but I sent them back to get a couple corrections, and those are fine. These are great. I just got these not too long ago, and they're looking really good. I'm enjoying them a lot. 2 sets, upper and bottom. Very cool. You see my spaces now. These are very easy to put in. Pop in. And I'm very happy. Cool smile, no spaces, they're comfortable. You can eat with them. I don't try to because you can stain them. And good color. They come in 3 different colors. I got the middle version, the natural white, and do Zoom calls and all that. But overall, I'm pretty happy with these. The package comes with a mold of your original teeth, so you can remind her of what they used to look like. 50% off the next version, and then a gift card that you can give to a friend that they can get 20% off, and you get $20. Some cleaning pellets, and a toothbrush. Very thoughtful, very comfortable, and a case to keep it in. With the mirrors, you can see that it's all right and looks good. So, check them out. Very cool, very easy to do. Hey, enjoy. Take care. Thank you.